From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening, I'm student meteorologist Jacob Morse here with your CNET forecast, and we saw a cold front move through our area throughout the day yesterday, and that's ushered in some colder air for our day today, as well as dry conditions. And as we take a live look outside over Beaver Stadium, a nice shot there with Mount Nittany in the distance in the sunshine, with the current temperature right now at 63 degrees, a little bit below average for this time of year, but it does feel nice if you are stepping outside and enjoying the sunshine. Fall foliage that you saw a little bit of in that live camera shot of Mount Nittany will continue to increase in the coming days, and we're expecting peak color across most of central and north central Pennsylvania over the next 7 days. A good next couple of days to go outside and enjoy the beautiful fall foliage with the peak color extending down into the Laurel Highlands as well, near peak conditions in western Pennsylvania, and then just starting to change color in the southeastern part of Pennsylvania. The wind speeds have slackened a little bit from yesterday. However, they are still noticeable with winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that's bringing in the colder air from the northwest. We're seeing temperatures right now about 5 to 10 degrees lower than they were at this point in the day yesterday, and those temperatures are mostly in the 60s throughout the Commonwealth, a couple of upper 60s down to our south and east in Harrisburg as well as down in Philadelphia. The radar and satellite is scanning dry and clear across most of the Commonwealth. No precipitation in sight, and that's not a good sign for the drought tracker that was just updated today, with the moderate drought conditions expanding a little bit into parts of the Susquehanna River Valley, the severe drought conditions continuing for parts of central and north central Pennsylvania. So we do need some rain, and we could get some rain by the time we get into the beginning and middle of next week. No precipitation in Pennsylvania, and not a whole lot happening across the entirety of the United States. The only game in town really is down in the tropics, with Hurricane Delta spinning there in the Gulf of Mexico and heading northwards towards the Gulf Coast. Here's the current stats on Hurricane Delta. Right now, a Category 2 hurricane with sustained winds at 102 miles per hour, and it is expected to strengthen a little bit before weakening slightly before it makes landfall in western Louisiana, around the same area that was impacted by Laura about a month ago, and so an area that does not need to see another landfalling hurricane. And then the remnants from Hurricane Delta will eventually make it up here into Pennsylvania by the time we get into the second half of the weekend and into the beginning of next week. There is some uncertainty with this forecast because the remnants of Delta will be interacting with a few cold fronts as they sweep through our region, so some details still need to be ironed out, but this is what one model is suggesting could happen as we head into the second half of your weekend. Saturday will be mostly dry, a nice day to get outside, but then some clouds increase into the evening hours on Saturday, and especially throughout the day on Sunday, we could see a few scattered showers, especially throughout the afternoon hours on Sunday, before some more heavier rain moves in Sunday night and throughout the day on Monday, as remnants of Delta starts to interact with a cold front that'll eventually sweep it out into the Atlantic Ocean on Monday night and then throughout the day on Tuesday. So a couple of days of rain, which is good for the drought conditions expected for the beginning of next week. Tonight we drop down to a low of around 41 degrees with those mostly clear skies, and then tomorrow warming up to a high of 68 degrees, a little bit above average for this time of year with plenty of sunshine, a great time to get outside and enjoy the peak fall foliage colors. So the 7-day forecast shows a big warm up for Saturday with a high temperature of 77 degrees, about 10 to 15 degrees above average for this time of year, with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Sunday, those showers start to move in by the afternoon hours with a high of 69. And then on Monday and Tuesday, periods of rain as remnants of Delta will be impacting our area before the sunshine and nicer weather returns by the middle and end of next week. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jacob Morse. Have yourselves a great evening.